For those of you whose wallet got compromised in Metaforce, Metawhale, Holyverse, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to migrate your wallet into a new wallet. Welcome to my channel. My name is Lindy Sherris. In this channel, we make money online. We do crypto and stocks. In today's video, I'm going to show you the progress and as well as what you need to get your wallet address back. So when you go to CoinGecko, you see that Metawhale launched a coin and it is now operational under Wellbit. It is called CES. So as you can see, the price now is 13.96 and it used to be more, guys. Actually, they are actually working on this coin to get it up there. So now if your wallet was compromised or maybe you got scammed somehow, you won't be able to access your CEX in order to withdraw if you want to withdraw. So now go back to metawhale.com. You have to use the wallet address that you used before. Click connect and then it will give you this access. So once you are in this page, you would see that there is balance migration. So when you see balance migration, you will be able to create a proposal asking them to change the wallet address that you had, the one that was stolen from you. And then you just create a proposal and you will be able to create a new wallet address and edit here. So the new wallet address you will edit here, the old one you will edit at the top. Now for those of you who do not remember how to create a wallet, go to your Trust Wallet or even Metaforce and go and create a new one, guys. So you click there and then you'll be able to click add wallet and you'll be able to create a new wallet. Now let me show you guys. You click there and then you click add wallet, and once you click add wallet, you will be able to create a new wallet that is new and then with the new phrases, the 12 phrases you need to keep safe. Don't share with anyone. It's like your bank account. And then once you have your wallet created, it will be added here. Go and then click at the top where it's a name, select Polygon because you do need the new wallet address and you will be able to copy that. So it will open a page like that. At the bottom you'll see the arrow which is written receive. Click it and you'll be able to copy the wallet address. So this is what you're going to add on the website. So let's go back to the website. You enter the wallet address, the old one here and the new one at the bottom. So then you click create proposal. So one thing that you need to know, after creating a proposal, you do need to contact the person that you join under to approve this. But then if you do not know the person or maybe the person is no longer operational, go to Telegram and look for Metawhale. So the right account will have many followers. So here you will see that there are different administrators. Find the one and then just ask for them to approve your request, which is what to move your wallet, and then they will give you step by step on what you need to do. So for me, I needed to record a screen recording to show that my account, the account existed and it is mine. And also I needed to send my identity document, and also I needed to record a video saying that please change my account. So you follow those steps, and then I did send my ID and the video. Just to show you how the video looks, let me just download it so you can see. So you basically record your face and showing them when you are logging. They just want to prove that you have. So this is what I had then. This is the money that I withdrew, guys. So CES, it is something that you are going. So after withdrawal, this is what I had. So that way you send this information to them and they will approve your request. And then after, you will be able to log in with your new account. So the next video I'm going to record is to show you how to withdraw from Metawhale into your crypto wallet, the one that you can use to withdraw to your bank account. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe.